What's up, everyone? Taehyung did a Weverse live for half an hour, which for him is very long. But yeah, obviously, we just had the announcement of Layover, Love Me Again just released, and Rainy Days. So maybe he wanted to go on and talk about it, which is kind of weird to think about because all his Weverse lives, he never really goes like in depth into like what he's feeling, what he's thinking, what he's been doing. Usually just gives very brief responses, and that's it. But all the other members have really gone in depth into their album, process of making it, what they went through, and talked a lot. So hey, I mean, V's gonna have to do that, right? He's not just gonna go on and not explain anything, right? It's gonna be interesting to see how he explains everything about the album. But anyway, let's start watching the live. Oh, got the fighting Mickey Mouses in the back. I think you showed that before.
Hello.
Are you still rocking the blonde hair? He must have recently recorded the music videos, right? Because when did he get the blonde hair? It wasn't too long ago. Also, I remember when he traveled, and I know that he recorded the music videos overseas, some of them.
잘 들려요?
Come on, man, your songs just dropped. Any news?
오케이.
Damn. Yo, have you been working out a bit?
원래 나중에 짠하고 싶었는데 그래도 오늘
Come on, you wanted to make
성공개로 나왔으니까
us wait more?
회사에서 하이브에서는 케이크랑 풍선이랑 다 해주실 수 있는데
He wants his
제가
cake.
그냥 집에서
Wants his cake and balloons.
하고 싶다고 해가지고 그냥 집에서 이렇게.
Wait, but that whole like cake and balloon thing, they do it after the album comes out, right?
폈습니다.
Actually, I guess not, because Jungkook had one for 7. You know what? Never mind.
이렇게 간단한 게 너무 좋잖아요.
So this is the live you wanted to have?
드디어 나온 겸 마미분들한테 어땠는지
Oh?
그냥 얘기하고 싶어서.
Honestly, I've been enjoying it. Like both Rainy Days and Love Me Again, it's like they're aging like fine wine. The more I hear it, the more I like it.
감사합니다. 그래도 저를 잘 나타낸 것 같아요.
And his voice. And his style.
김태형이고 이런 거 좋아하고 이런 거.
Oh yeah, we know. It fits him so well.
오늘은 연습하고 왔어요. 아침에 일어나서 물 한 잔 쓱 하고 레이니데이 나온 거 좀 듣다가
Yeah, it's
준비하고
on Spotify now.
이제 연습했는데 확실히
Where did he practice?
뭐 이런 것까지는 되니까 밴드가 진짜 좋은 것 같아. 뭐 되겠지. 밴드까지는 괜찮으니까. 밴드가 진짜 좋은 것 같아.
So is really how he's gonna talk when he's gonna explain the album and all that? He's gonna keep his style?
이거 머리 너무 떡져가지고 물 묻혔어요.
Oh, just water?
그래도 좀 머리가 너무 산발되면 안 되니까.
I guess that's why his hair is always on point.
음악 좀 틀을까?
Bro, I thought he was gonna, I don't know. They would like recording the music video. He's really not gonna give us nothing. I guess V lives will never change. He's gonna play some music, but what about his music? Is he gonna put Rainy Days or Love Me Again?
그리고 우리 탄이 데뷔했어요.
Danny debuted. Oh yeah, I saw that. It wasn't Tanny in Rainy
우리
Days.
탄이 데뷔해가지고 아주 좋아. 아주 기뻐요.
It's interesting how dogs of like the same race, the same breed, just look the freaking same.
뭐지?
I saw people saying that Tanny was so famous he has a stunt double.
우리 탄이 내가 오늘 아침에 조금 생각을 해봤는데 이제 사진이 나왔잖아요.
Yeah,
사진이 나왔으니까
it's all over the album.
오늘 내가 생각을 해봤는데 안 되겠어. 네이버 프로필 등록을 해야 될 것 같아요. 이름 김연탄.
Make him into a full-on celebrity.
등록을 하려고.
I mean, hey,
이미 회사에 얘기해놨어.
hey, Yeontan deserves some money too.
데뷔했으니까. 나도 데뷔했는데.
Hey, I guess that's true. But it's real cute how he used Tanny like for a whole bunch of things in the album. Music video, photos, the design of the QR code and like the box.
한번 연탄이 어디냐고? 탄이 지금 본집에 있는데.
I was wondering, wait, is he there? They have like a loudspeaker, you could hear the music everywhere. He's walking around a different room and he can still hear the music.
아야.
Ooh, now where is this in the house?
오랜만에 염색을 해서 이게 관리가 되게 힘들어요.
Yeah, you know, the members aren't dyeing their hair as much now.
두피가 자라서 이거는 나중에 또 해야 될 것 같고 염색을.
There's something cool about having like the scalp, it's like slightly grown, the dyed hair. What do they mean by maintaining it? Like, what do they gotta do when they got dyed hair? Do they gotta use some like products that it doesn't get too damaged?
근데 뭐 하고 싶다.
What's he getting? Is he unwrapping something? What is it? Wait, he has the album right there? What? You probably can't unbox it, right? Because it just hasn't been out.
제일 먼저 받았죠, 나는. 그래서 일단은 가장 공을 들인 우리 타니한테 먼저 주려고.
Did he get all versions?
뭐에다 쓰는지도 모르겠지만 쓰는 방법도 모르겠지만 얘한테 먼저 내가 주면 얘 얼굴.
Oh, that's how it looks like. Wait, he's straight up unboxing this.
실물을 처음 봐요.
Wait, really? You just got it? Oh, I guess it was all wrapped and new. I mean, usually all the members like show it after they're released, right? Not a whole month before.
여기 배송 메모에 안전하게 배송 부탁드립니다.
Yeah, I really love the style.
부재중일 경우 문자 주세요.
That looks like a package.
나오거든요. 이게 내가 퀵으로 다 보낼 테니까 기사 아저씨한테 제가 얘기할게요. 안전하게 배송 부탁드린다고.
Yeah, like a real package. But it's not just shipped like that, right? Like they're probably gonna put Another box around it? Or not? I mean, they probably are, so they, like, the box doesn't get damaged. Brag about? He wants to brag a little bit?
뮤비 한번 볼까?
Ooh.
뮤비 보고 끝낼까? 오케이. 잠시만.
They turning off the lights and everything. Remote controlled curtains? What? This man is living fancy. Alright, which one are we gonna watch first? Love Me Again because it was uploaded first?
나 그거 얘기 들었어요. 가디언즈 오브 갤럭시 같다고.
Wait, that looks like Guardians of the Galaxy?
그런 느낌 아닌데.
Oh. We're gonna watch Love Me Again? Alright, let me pull up the music video. Alright, here it is. Ooh. Ooh. We popped off in these songs. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, that part. Ooh, it's so good. Ah, he's pausing.
오케이.
He just paused to say okay. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, V has probably seen the video before, right?
저기 동굴이에요?
Oh yeah, people told me it was like a cave in Spain, I think.
저기가 진짜 박쥐 나올 것 같이 생겼어.
Yeah, it looks pretty creepy.
엄청 신비로워.
But it looks freaking dope. Like, it's a really aesthetic cave. All the rocks, spikes. Ooh. Yeah, we just chilling now. Ooh, so beautiful.
오케이.
Ooh. Oh, why? Oh, what? We're going on to rainy days already? Alrighty, he moved on fast. He already had the other video ready.
사실 저는 이제 얘기할 수 있는 거지만
Aww.
러미 어게인 진짜 좋아해요.
Hey, that's real nice to hear. He really likes his song.
진짜 매력 있어.
Aww.
비하인드 얘기
What, he's
주면
pausing?
스페인의 탄이를 못 데려가서
Oh.
최대한
Yeah, it was
비슷하게 생긴 친구를 했어요.
it was not him.
탄인 줄 알았죠.
It was pretty believable. These dog breeds look the freaking same. I guess it's complicated to take a dog to another country. Which is funny to think about. I mean, they got laws around that. Another really, really good song. Ooh. Ooh. So freaking good. Bro, a lot of people were like real excited about that scene where he was like all smiling cutely on the bed. Yo, this verse. What happened? Oh yeah, and apparently this scene was like a reference to a movie.
저거 한 번에 제가 그렸어요.
Always one take. The editing in this video is real good. It was a nice music video. Yeah.
그리고 아미분들이 해주셔야 될 게
Oh?
하나 있는데 이제 프로필을 바꿔야 돼요.
What profile?
프로필을 바꿔야 돼서 사실
His Weverse profile? Is it different now?
아미분들이 머리 모아서
It's still
다
10.
같이 긴급으로 모여서 뭐가 좋은지 얘기 나누고
Oh, where do we see the options?
좋아하는 사진을 하나 뽑아서 나한테 알려줘요.
Or it
그러면
could be any
내가
picture?
그 프로필로 할게. 그 컨셉 뭐 포토 뭐 그 나왔는데
There's a lot of good photos there.
제 기준에서는 알짜배기는 앨범에 다 들어가 있어요.
In the album. So
진짜 잘 나온 사진들이
there are a
진짜
lot we haven't
엄청
seen yet.
많이
We haven't
나왔는데
seen the inside of
그것들이
the album.
다 진짜 앨범에 이번에 다 녹아서 내가 진짜 너무나 좋아하고 애틋한 마음을 가진 앨범인 것 같아요.
His first solo album.
그래서 하미분들이 나중에 이 앨범 보시고 이 사진 제일 좋다를 서로 각자 모여서 얘기 좀 나누시고
I mean, we're gonna need to see the inside of the album.
그거를
All the pictures.
저한테 알려주세요.
He's gonna use it as his profile picture.
뭐가 표가 제일 많았다. 이걸로 해야 될 것 같다, 태영아.
Okay, now, I'm really curious to see what will get the most votes. Wait, where are people gonna vote?
이번에 작업 방식이 진짜 독특한 게 엄청 자연스러웠어요.
Well, things
내가
went
정말
well.
좋아하는 무드를 잘 살려준 것도 있고. 근데 누나가 민희진 저는 대표님이라고 안 부르고 누나라고 부르는데
누나.
민희진 누님이 태영아 너 내일 시간 있어? 그래서 뭐 내일 뭐 아무것도 없긴 해요. 그래서 좀 집에서 쉬려고요. 하니까 뭐 잠시 나와봐.
Oh. For what?
알았어요. 내일 몇 시에 갈까요? 뭐 내일 1시쯤에 볼래? 해서 알았어요. 갈게요. 해서 갔는데 가자마자 태영아 여기 서.
Just stand here?
여기 서.
Oh, they were taking pictures? And what, that was it?
살면서 처음이었습니다. 당황하기도 했고요.
What?
오자마자 준비 뭐 이런 것도 없고 그냥 진짜 그 자연스러움.
Wait, so he didn't know they were gonna take
진짜
pictures?
그 장난 아닌 것 같아요.
So
그래서
literally just him
그것들이 다
with his daily clothes?
녹아들었던. 그래서 즐겁게 촬영이라고 생각 안 하고 사실 그냥 소풍 왔다 아니면 좀 어디 구경하러 왔다 생각하고 놀다 보니까 사진이 막 다 나와 있었어요. 그래서 너무 좋았던 것 같아요.
So he had fun making it?
아미분들이 많이 좋아해 주실 거예요.
Oh, we already like it.
그리고 이번에 이번에
This time?
위버스에서 그냥 나 활동 어떻게 하지?
I don't know. It's gonna be very interesting to find out.
너무 비행기는 조금
Oh, he doesn't want to travel?
비행기 한번 타면은 이제 시간이 훌쩍 지나가 버리고 사실
He doesn't want to have to travel?
시간을 투자해야 되는 게 너무 많아서
So no American
이번에 그냥
promotions from V?
가볍게 위버스에서 아미들이 내가 뭐 나왔으면 좋겠을까 하다가
I mean,
위버스에서 계속
appear on
내리다가
shows, live performances.
이거 해줘. 이게 뭐지? 오, 오케이. 이거 해줘. 이건 도지. 오케이. 이거 해줘. 이건 나도.
All the members when they were promoting, they appeared on like some show,
조금
and it was really fun.
할것 같아요. 많이는 아니고.
Oh,
조금 많이.
hey, at least it's something.
그리고 음, 30분 되면은 저 자러 갈 거예요. (9월 8일)
That's right.
뭐 그 전에 또 뭐 외웠어 올게요.
Oh, he'll be back?
심심할 때 뭔가 앨범 준비하고 있을 때 뭔가 대기 시간 생길 때 아미들한테 놀러 올게요.
Oh.
나 갑니다. 안녕. 보라해.
Okay, that was pretty cute ending. So his album's coming up. He already had 2 music videos released. Of course, he wanted to go on Weverse Live. And, you know, I was wondering, what kind of live, what kind of personality he's gonna bring out for when he has to talk about it, because he usually talks, you know, slowly and sometimes doesn't say much in his past Weverse lives. And I remember after all the other members' albums came out, they went on Weverse Live and had like a long live, over an hour, just talking about the album, going through every song and giving an explanation on like every song. And I don't know why I don't see V doing that. Obviously I would love to, but does he want to? And if he does do it, he probably won't like talk too much on like every song. It'll probably be like in this live, you know, he'll say what he wants to say and keep it at that. He confirmed that it wasn't Tanny in the music video, but that Tanny did debut, so trying to make him into an official star. And he seems to just really love the album. Like, if it's very personal, he has some attachment to it, he really likes it, which is sweet because it is really good and it shows that he put a lot of work into it. Also, is it true that some of the photos were really just like that? Like, okay, V, come here at this time, and then boom, started taking photos just like that. I guess it lets us see like just V in a normal day, what he's like, what he looks like, you know, what he wears, how he does his hair, which is very personal. So good idea right there. And yeah, we saw the music videos. He probably really likes those too. And he said he will be back when he's bored on Weverse Live, which is kind of sometimes what he had already been doing. But yeah, that was V's live. I'm expecting more lives. I'm expecting some fun promotions. He said not a lot, but hey, I'm still excited for whatever he decides to do, and I'll be waiting. Anyways, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.